How to see your Messenger password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Messenger password. You'll only be able to see your Messenger password if you have saved it in your Google account. To check that, scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now this will take you to your settings page. Here now you will need to scroll down and find Google option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and inside it, here you will be able to see this interface. Scroll a bit down and find this password manager option. Once you locate it, tap on the continue button at the bottom of it. By doing so, you will be taken to the password manager page. Here, you will be able to see all the passwords of your account. Scroll down to find Messenger or Facebook option. Since Messenger uses your Facebook login, you will also be able to see the Facebook option. Simply tap on your Facebook option and then you might need to use your device PIN or password for verification. After that, you will be able to see the username and password of your Facebook or the Messenger. To reveal the password, now you just simply need to tap on the I button at the right side of the password and reveal it. So by following these steps, you should be able to see your Messenger password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.